Say hello.
Hello.
Do a dance. Do a dance for me. Archie, what are you right now? Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
What is your favorite dance?
I see you, Daddy. I like 5-minute dance.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Okay. Who's your favorite princess?
Like my baby. I just recorded it.